Hey YouTube, this is The Green Cabbie with We Is the Future, where we're spending more time with the family and doing healthy recipes, reviews, as well as spending time with the family and doing family videos. Today what we're going to be doing is the simplest way to cook beans that you've ever seen in your entire life. We're going to be using our crock pot today. We're basically going to dump everything in. We're going to show you the recipe for that, and we're going to just set it and forget it. Alright, and then what we're going to do is we're going to come back and our beans will be completely done, super tender, none of them will be burned, and it will also give us the opportunity to make other things like refried beans, or you can make ham and beans, or beans and cornbread, stuff like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to get that started. So first of all, what you want to do is take your lid off, alright, and then you want to go ahead and plug in your crock pot, and you're going to put it on high. Okay, that is the secret. Secret number one. Alright, so what we're going to do first is we're going to go ahead and place in this crock pot 6 cups of beans. Alright, and with 6 cups of beans, that's going to fill it up about halfway. This is a 5-quart crock pot, and it's going to fill it up about almost halfway. Alright, so then what we're going to do is we're going to add our spices. We've got all of our spices mixed up in here, but what you're going to do is 1 teaspoon of salt. You're going to do 1 tablespoon of coarse brown pepper. Not brown pepper, black pepper, alright. We're also going to do 1 tablespoon of chili powder. 1 tablespoon of, not ground comino, but onion powder. And then we're going to do 1 tablespoon of, granulated garlic. Alright, so you're going to go ahead and dump in all of your spices. Okay, just go ahead and place them in there. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put your water in. Alright, now what you want to do with your water is you want to fill it all the way up to about 2 inches past the top of the beans. And what that does is it allows the beans to cook and to absorb that water so they can expand. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put our water in. And just make sure that you pour it right over those spices that you placed in there so they can dissolve easily. Alright, so we're going to need a little bit more water. Let me go ahead and grab that really quick. And while we're grabbing the water, you also want to put maybe about a tablespoon of oil in there and mix it up so that you have no sticking on the bottom of your pan, and that will give you the ability to get it out nice and easy. Now, if you put in any kind of meats like cooked bacon or ham or turkey, that will have enough fat in it to allow it not to stick, so you wouldn't have to add the oil on that part. Alright, so we're going to place our water in there about 2 inches above the beans. Now the great thing is if you follow this recipe and you put it 2 inches above the beans, you'll have just enough of the juice in the beans where you can use it with the cornbread and stuff like that, but you won't have too much liquid where it's like really watery and runny. Alright, so we've got it on high. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and place our lid on here like so. And then what we're going to do is we're going to let it sit for 5 to 8 hours. Now how you determine whether it's 5 or 8 hours is after 5 hours, check your beans. If they're tender and you can taste the beans, they're good. If they're not completely tender, leave them for 8. And all you have to do is leave it on high, and when you come back, they're going to be ready to go. So now you can spend more time with your family because you're not slaving away in the kitchen. Alright, thanks for watching right now. We'll see you back when the beans are done, and we'll go ahead and go spend some time with the family as we speak. We'll talk to you later. Thanks.
Alright, and as you can see, these are completely done. They've been in here for 5.5 hours, and you see they have the wonderful juices from beans. They have an amazing juice with them, and they're very, very tasty. So once again, this is the easiest way to make pinto beans, and we're also going to be doing another recipe to show you how to make refried beans with these. And the great thing with this is quick, easy. You can run, you can go do all your errands, get everything together that you need done, and you can come back and this meal will be ready for you in the crock pot. The great thing about this also is you can use it with any of your leftover meats. You can go ahead and make it into refried beans. You can also have it with cornbread, pinto beans and cornbread, stuff like that. Super quick, super easy. It can feed the whole family. It's filled with protein, and it's super easy to make. Alright, once again, thank you so much for watching. If you get a chance, please give us a big thumbs up for this easy recipe. Please throw it on Google Plus and Facebook. As always, please favorite, please like, please tweet, please pin, and make sure you spend time with your family, because there's no better time than that. Thanks for watching.